Herbalife Formula 1 Shake and Herbalife PDM. Are these two products the same? They look the same, almost identical. So what exactly is the difference? Okay, in this video, I'm going to compare these two products and also list the key differences of these two products. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Jean here from Authentic Energy. All right, guys. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do a special feature video, on these two products because very often a lot of you guys are very confused by these two things. I mean, Formula One shake and the protein drink mix because they look very, very, very same. Like they look pretty much identical. So I am going to tell you guys the difference and also how you can use them to help you, get to your goals. Okay, so at a glance, you can see that, packaging is the same and, the labeling is almost the same. However, one is called a healthy meal, Formula One, healthy meal. In some countries, you may call a meal replacement shake, right? So this is the American packaging. And also on the other side, we have protein drink mix. Sometimes we'll call it PDM for short, right? So one is you can already tell that one highlights the word protein and the other one actually highlights the words like healthy meal. Okay. Now, so at a glance, I want you guys to remember this. Formula One shake is basically a meal replacement shake, which means it actually substitutes a wholesome meal. So which means that this shake contains, balanced nutrients, balanced essential nutrients that, you should actually get in a healthy meal. So we're talking about like a balanced mix of protein, carbs, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. You get all of these in just one shake. Okay, so this is what Formula One shake is famous for. Okay, now at a glance, PDM protein drink mix is a protein supplement. Okay, it is a protein drink and also it is a protein snack. And what is the relationship of PDM to F1? You can see it as a Formula One shake companion. Okay, so it's like the sun to the moon. Okay, I mean the moon to the sun. Well, it depends on which way you see it, right? So whenever that you take, your F1 shake, it's actually ideal if you can actually pair your F1 shake with a, protein drink mix. So it is actually the best companion product for our F1 shake. Okay, so what PDM does is that it actually boosts the protein intake for your F1 shake, but also it boosts your protein intake for your whole day as well, right? So it really depends on how you use it. And when you actually mix your Formula One shake with a protein drink mix, it really enhances the Formula One shake nutrients. Okay, so it's like, the best thing to have for you to mix with your Formula One shake. Okay, so see the PDM as the protein product, the protein supplement, and the best F1 companion. All right, so I hope you guys have a little bit better idea by now. Now let's just compare them side by side. Okay, so on the left side, we have our Formula One shake, and on the right, we got PDM. And now you're like, wait a minute, they both have 20 plus vitamins and minerals. I didn't know that. Okay, so because, they both do, but there's still some differences. Okay, so I want you guys to remember this, right? Apart from the 20 plus vitamins and minerals, Formula One shake, Formula One healthy meal shake also contains fiber, like healthy dietary fiber, right? Whereas the protein drink mix doesn't contain any fiber. Okay, and the mix of vitamins and minerals in the protein drink mix are not as comprehensive, and also the volume, like the amount, is not as high as the Formula One shake, right? Because the Formula One shake is designed to be a meal replacement, right? So when you drink the shake, it's supposed to act like a meal. So the blend of the vitamins and minerals and fiber plus our carbs, fats, and protein are actually formulated differently, like the amounts are different, to basically provide our body with the right balance. Okay, so which is why, at a glance, if you see that, they kind of seem to be the same, right? They both have, vitamins and minerals. However, the purpose is different. Okay, so for the protein drink mix, the vitamins and minerals are there to give it kind of like a good nutritional boost, so that it's not just a high protein kind of supplement, but also apart from the protein, it contains vitamins and minerals as well, right? And also, again, let's look at like the carbs, the fat, and protein content, right? So you can see that for Formula One shake, it's actually formulated to contain low fat, however, balanced amount of carbs and also balanced amount of protein. Okay, because for a meal replacement, we actually do need to have substantial amount of carbs for the energy, right? And not just for the carbs, but also substantial amount of protein, right? So we need to have fats, but because it's formulated to have low amount of fat. Okay. However, for protein drink mix, because it is, mainly protein, right? The protein is the key factor here. So it contains a high amount of protein and very, very low, very, very little low amount of carbs and fats. Okay, so you can see the key difference here, right? However, I don't suggest you to drink protein drink mix alone as a meal replacement. Okay, you can have it as a snack. However, it's best if you want to have a shake, meal shake, it's best for you to, actually have the F1 shake together with the protein drink mix. Okay, so I hope you guys get this difference here. So a lot of you guys looking at this and you'll be like, okay, if I'm on a keto diet or I'm trying to do something that's, high, very low carb, but high in protein or high in fats, you could actually, consider the protein drink mix as a good booster, some kind of supplementary product for your diet program. Okay. Now let's compare them again, right? In terms of protein, okay? Because we just mentioned, right? One is high in protein, one is balanced protein. So what are the key differences, right? So if you look at the, healthy meal shake, right? I mean, F1 meal, healthy meal, it contains about 9 grams per serving. Okay, and whereas protein drink mix is 15 grams, so you can see it's a lot higher, and they are both soy protein. Okay, so they're both made from the same protein source, which is plant-based soy. Okay, and you can see that there is a difference in the calories. Protein drink mix has slightly higher calories, 110 calories, whereas like F1 shake contains 90 calories. Okay, this is just the powder mix. Okay, but of course if you mix it with like different types of liquid base and different other ingredients, then the calorie goes up, right? So what I normally suggest people to do, whether it's like weight loss or weight gain, is to actually mix your F1 shake and your protein together, right? Which I have already mentioned before. For you to get the best result, for you to have like the best healthy, wholesome, and also nutrient balanced meal shake, it's best for you to combine your PDM and your F1 together. So let me know in the comment below how many of you have tried combining the two together, and let me know your experience. And for those of you that are curious and you want to have a sample try, you want to sample the product, you can actually get your hands on the 3-day trial pack. So inside the Herbalife 3-day trial pack, you actually have the sachets of PDM and Formula One shake mixed for you already, so you don't actually have to mix them together. So this is actually really cool because I really love the trial pack where it's just one pack that has both F1 and PDM together mixed for you already. So all you need to do is just mix it with water or mix it with milk. Okay, so 2 of these things together gives you 25 grams of protein, right? So it's very easy for you to count your protein once you know that when I combine them, it gives me 25 grams of protein. Actually, sorry, my mistake. It's 24, okay? 24 grams of protein. Okay, so how do I prepare them? So here's a little quick chart that I got from our official site. It's very flexible, it's very versatile how you can make them, right? So for example, if you want to make a snack, right, you can simply just use your PDM, okay, your standard 2 scoops, and mix with water or ice, right? That's a snack. If you want to have a meal, meal replacement, a meal shake, you can do 2 scoops of your PDM mixed with 2 scoops of your F1, and then you can blend it or shake them with water, ice, or shake them with soy milk or milk, right? So I've listed the graphics here. I prefer not to use water, but if you mix your PDM and F1 together, then you can use water. But if you're only just doing Formula One, then it's actually better if you do Formula One with a type of milk-based liquid, right? And also there's another option for you to do snack where you can do just 2 scoops of Formula One plus 1 scoop of your PDM. right, and mixed with water. And you can see how the protein count, varies depending on how you prepare them, and also, the calorie amount varies as well. Right. So it's really versatile how you do them, right? You can also get different recipes from your coach. And, if you want to get, some really cool recipes, you can also reach out to me for different recipes that you can use. Okay. And as I mentioned before, for me, when I coach, I generally recommend everyone to mix F1 and your PDM together, especially in the Herbalife healthy breakfast routine, right? So back in the day, I would say LOT and shake, right? Just the Formula One shake. But these days, I always recommend people to start your breakfast shake with the PDM mix in as well. All right. So it's not just the Formula One, but you can have your Formula One shake enhanced with the PDM, with the protein drink mix. Right. So this combination is great for both weight loss and also healthy weight gain or muscle gain. Right. So I hope you guys, have a better idea of how to use, the two products together or separately. And also now, you actually understand a bit better about, the differences between the two products. I know that they look very, very similar, almost identical. However, they're very different. So I hope you guys got a lot out of today's video. And of course, let me know if you still have questions about, your Formula One shake and also the PDM. And if there's anything that I haven't covered in today's video, just let me know. Write your questions or comments in the comment below. And of course, if you guys want to work with me and get on my program or want me to be your Herbalife coach, you can reach out to me or find out all the details in the comment below, right? And if you would like to order, the products that are featured in today's video, you can click on the link after the video. It's also, the links are also inside my description. And if you're not based in the US or Canada and you don't know how to get your products, you can also reach out to me, email me as well, right? And you can see my Instagram and email detail down below. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. All right, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.